Mercedes customer walks in the door. Hey, Mercedes customer, how you doing? Hey YouTube, Kyle here with another really quick product review. What we have here is a transmission service kit for the 7229 Mercedes transmission. This was your Mercedes 7-speed automatic transmission offered from 2004 to about 2015, depending on the model. This specific kit is applicable to 2004 through about 2009 or 2010 models. It includes the correct MB approval fluid. I know what you're thinking. This has got 5 bottles instead of 6. Just in the process of bringing some more bottles over from our overstock location across town. We have an OE gasket, genuine Mercedes Filtran filter, overflow plug, drain plug, and the one-time use transmission pan bolts. This is going to be a regular maintenance service kit. We recommend servicing your 7229 transmission every 30 to 40,000 miles. Something as simple as a fluid change is all you need to keep the transmissions running optimally. If it's your first time performing this procedure, it can be done in about 45 minutes. The vehicle does need to be level, so you want it on 4 jack stands. It does require a special tool in order to refill the transmission pan. And you are going to need to be able to monitor the fluid temperature. As long as you've got all of those bases covered, you can service your transmission yourself. This has been another really quick product review. If you like what you've seen today, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.